If your car breaks down on a desolate highway, you might feel a sense of vulnerability that you've never experienced before. The isolation, the uncertainty, and the eerie silence can be overwhelming. In such moments, you might want to think twice about who you trust next. The person who stops to help could be a savior or someone with sinister intentions. In the summer of 1992, Tammy Zywicki, a bright and spirited young woman, set out on a road trip from New Jersey to Iowa. Tammy was a 21-year-old college student at Grinnell College in Iowa, known for her love of photography and soccer. She was excited about the journey ahead, looking forward to the adventure and the freedom of the open road, but she never made it to her destination. The open road that promised freedom turned into a path of no return. Her car broke down on a deserted stretch of I-80 in Illinois, and that was the last time anyone saw her alive. The vast emptiness of the highway became the backdrop for a chilling mystery. Days later, her body was discovered over 500 miles away in Missouri. The distance between where she was last seen and where she was found added layers of complexity to the investigation. Stabbed and abandoned with no clues pointing to her killer, the brutality of the crime shocked the nation and left investigators grasping for answers. The case immediately drew national attention, but leads were scarce and suspects even scarcer. The media frenzy brought the case into the public eye, but it also highlighted the frustrating lack of progress. Investigators uncovered numerous theories: a passing trucker, a local predator, maybe even a good Samaritan with sinister intentions. Each theory seemed plausible, yet none provided the breakthrough needed. The idea that someone who appeared to be helping could have been the perpetrator added a chilling twist to the narrative. It made everyone question the true nature of those who offer assistance, but every lead turned cold. The frustration among the investigators was palpable as they hit one dead end after another, every theory a dead end. The case seemed to be an endless loop of hope and disappointment. Tammy's family and friends held out hope for justice, but the case remains unsolved to this day. Their lives were forever changed, living with the pain of unanswered questions. Imagine the anguish of knowing your loved one's killer still walks free. The sense of injustice is a heavy burden to bear. Even now, decades later, detectives and true crime fans alike are haunted by Tammy's disappearance and murder. The case has become a haunting legend in the annals of unsolved crimes. Could a new piece of evidence finally crack the case? Advances in forensic technology offer a glimmer of hope that one day the truth might be uncovered. Or will Tammy Zywicki's story remain one of the most chilling cold cases in history? The uncertainty keeps the story alive in the minds of those who seek justice. What do you think happened on that desolate highway in 1992? Theories abound, but the truth remains elusive. Share your theories in the comments below. Your insights could shed new light on this enduring mystery. And remember, stay curious, stay safe. The world is full of mysteries, and sometimes the answers are closer than we think. The search for Tammy began immediately after her car was found. Authorities scoured the area, hoping to find any trace of her or clues that could lead to her whereabouts. The route from Illinois to Missouri was meticulously examined. Each mile held the potential for new evidence, but the vast distance only added to the complexity of the case. Locals were interviewed, and tips poured in from across the country. Each lead was followed, but none brought the answers everyone so desperately sought. Tammy's friends and family made emotional appeals for information, hoping that someone, somewhere, knew something that could break the case wide open. Decades later, the case files remain open. Detectives continue to review the evidence, hoping that a fresh perspective or new technology might finally bring justice for Tammy. Tammy Zywicki's disappearance remains one of the most haunting mysteries of our time. As the sun sets over the empty highway, her story lingers, a reminder of the fragility of life and the enduring quest for truth. Tammy was a talented soccer player and a dedicated student. Her passion for photography captured the beauty of everyday moments, making her loss even more poignant. On August 23, 1992, Tammy's car was found on the side of I-80 with a note indicating it had broken down. Witnesses reported seeing her with a tractor-trailer driver, but the lead went cold. Over the years, new theories have emerged. Some suggest a serial killer might be responsible, while others believe Tammy was a victim of opportunity. Advances in forensic technology continue to offer hope for new breakthroughs. Investigators have revisited the case multiple times, using new technology to re-examine old evidence. DNA testing and other forensic advancements could one day provide the answers that have eluded them for so long. Tammy's family has never given up hope. They continue to honor her memory and advocate for justice, keeping her story alive in the hearts of those who knew and loved her. The search for Tammy's killer continues. Each new piece of information, no matter how small, brings investigators one step closer to solving this decades-old mystery. Tammy Zywicki's case remains open, a testament to the enduring quest for justice. As long as there are unanswered questions, the search for the truth will go on.